Hi guys, Cryptonatics here. So in this video guys, we are going to talk about this token 6900. So what is token 6900 and why are early crypto buyers rushing in? Another meme coin, not quiet. Token 6900 might surprise you. So Miss Pepe, Shiba, this could be your comeback play. Alright guys, so token 6900, they gave us SPX 6900, we gave them T6900. So the best crypto pre-sale guys, no? Here. So Connect wallet guys natin. So available dito ang best wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask wallet at Coinbase wallet. So kagandaan dito mga bossing is meron sa dito ang hard cap na 5 million USD. Ang start price niya guys is 0.006400 USD and then mag-end price sa 0.007,125 USD guys. So sa ngayon guys is kapag natapos itong oras na to guys is magpa-price increase siya, no? So, yung token price niya ngayon guys, yung current price is 0.006775 no USD. So, USD raise, yan, napakalaki na guys nung pagtaas nitong o pag-increase ng price nito, no. So, Connect wallet lang natin guys kung gusto natin bumili ng kanilang pre-sale ngayon. Yan, once na makonek na natin mga boss, ganito yung mangyayari, no. May kita natin dito kung paano tayo bibili, no. So pay with Ethereum tayo dito, of course guys, no. And then makaka-receive tayo ng T6900 tokens, no. Okay? So Ethereum, yan, and then BTC, buy with card, pwede din, no. So kunwari guys, magbabayad tayo ng USD, okay? So, 100 USD guys. So, may receive natin na T6900 tokens is 14,686. Napakalaki guys, no? Kasi napakalit pa naman yung value ng tokens na to. So, sa ngayon, so, malay mo sa future guys is lalaki din to, no? Okay? So, powered by Web3 payment. So, click here. So, we want to pay with crypto instead. Click here. Okay, so kung gusto natin magbayad through crypto, yan, click lang natin dyan. O, kung through card naman guys is ito, USD yung babayaran natin. So kung Ethereum, yan, so kunwari 0.3, yan. So may receive natin na halaga or value or dami ng tokens na T6900 is 16,755 tokens. Kapag magbabayad tayo ng Ethereum sa ating mga wallet, kung may Ethereum man na tayo, no, pwede tayo bumili dito kay token 6900. Okay? Yan. Ganun kasimple bumili dito kay token 6900 guys. Yan. So why 69? Why not 69 tokens 6900 isn't a meme coin? So hindi daw sa meme coin guys, no. Ito daw ay isang consciousness parasite. So go search token 6900 on Google as ChatGPT, whisper it into your task advice voicemail, turn your phones off and listen closely. Right guys? So dito naman yung kanilang allocations ng kanilang tokenomics guys, no. Yung 15% is nasa Vibe Coding Development. So yung 0.0007% is nasa Developer Moonbug. Lock for 5 years guys. Okay. So, Wise Airdrops born 5% siya. So, 24.99% is Does Anyone Have Dolphin? 10% Vibe Liquidity and 5% Staking Rewards. So, yung 40% guys is nasa token 6900 marketing. Napakalaki, no? Sa marketing nila, napakalaki guys. Yung kanilang allocations ng tokens nila guys. So, token 6,000 has more tokens than SPX 6,900. So, because we are 1 times beta, total supply is 930 million. Yung kanilang total supply, napakalaki. Yung hard cap, 5 million. Dev keep 6,900 tokens, lock for 5 years. So, yun. Nakalock sa 5 years. So, para yung tokens is hindi basta-basta mawala, ano. 5 years ang itatagal, guys. So, auto buy. So, go to your bank, see if they give you a cash withdrawal. If it's over 1,000 USD, congrats, you are now on our FBI watch list. But chill, it's 2025 guys. So, there are other ways. So, smarter option, connect a mobile crypto wallet like Best Wallet, self-custody is the future. Imagine your Angelina in August 1995 by this crypto peso now and you can own server space. And once you're connected to our widget swap Ethereum or USDT, for token 6,900, credit cards also accepted, but if your mine still resides in 95, you can send a check to token 6,900 crypto pre-sale 69. Okay, yan. Pero yung pagbibili tayo is buy with card or buy with crypto. Yan lang, ganun lang kasimple guys. As usual guys, pag mga ganitong pre-sale na tokens, yan lang talaga yung dalawang payment method natin, no? Buy with crypto or buy with card. Okay? Tokenomics nila, yan. And then, ito. So, the new America, you were born into a broken system, a system that charges you 9.99 a month for cloud storage while Pentagon loses 2.3 trillion. Okay. Napakasimple lang nitong tokens na to guys, no? Ibig sabihin guys, papanatiliin itong tokens na to in 5 years, no? Kumbaga, tatagal siya sa 5 years kasi nga nakalock, no? So, kung bibili tayo ng tokens ngayon, so possible in 5 years or hindi pa naman umabot ng 5 years is pataasin nila yung tokens na to, no? And then, yun na yung ano natin, opportunity para i-withdraw yung tokens, ipalit, no? Kapag tumaas na yung price, okay? And then, ito yung FAQZ nila, yung Q&A guys. So, soon friend, only the futures can show that token 6,900 is the best crypto pre-sale. So, when will this token 69 be? So, your W talks about a brain rot bolts. Is that staking? Yes, you can choose to stake token 6,900 when buying to our bridge. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, meron sila ditong staking guys. Pwede tayong mag-stake dito ng tokens din nila, no? So, stake balance, buy and stake, withdraw stake tokens, yan, and then claim rewards. Ganun lang din, no, guys, sa ibang mga pre-sale. So, the distribution of token 60,900 token rewards will occur at a rate of 17.71 T6,900 no tokens per Ethereum block. Earn rewards will vest over 30 days once claim goes live. Alright guys, so ito yung late paper nila guys, no? Okay, yan, no? Yung contents makikita natin dito guys, basahin nyo na lang to, no, kung gusto nyo. Okay, yung kanyang distribution and funds allocations guys, ito na nga yung sinabi natin kanina, no? Yan. And then, yung rewards, yung staking, is the only floating end of utility funds will ever offer, but it's a juicy one. By locking tokens in the on-chain Brainrot vault, holders earn more T6,900 while they wait for listing and memes to do their things. So, why stake? So, passive rewards. So, farm extra T6,900 without lifting a finger. So, early advantage rewards are fixed for block. So, the earlier and larger you stake, the higher your real-time APY. Yan guys. So, ibig sabihin nito, kapag mas mataas yung stake mo, so mas mataas yung real-time APY natin, no, na matatanggap. So, yung rewards din yan. So, double the dopamine. Okay? Yan yung key details and then yung roadmap nila. No? So, phase 1 concept. So, web-based coded, smart contracts audited, staking goes live, tokens initiated. So, consciousness, social go, memes, intensify, tokens less, vibers discover, ito yung vibes, and then community guys. Yan, pwede natin bisitahin nung lang Twitter. Makapansin nyo, ito yung Twitter nila guys, meron silang 4,268 followers. Yan, yung legit na Twitter nila, no? Okay? So, tingnan naman natin yung ibang ano nila dito. Yung ibang website nila dito. So, email, pwede natin sila i-contact. Instagram, ito yung website, syempre. Yan. So, ganun. Bili lang tayo dito guys kung gusto natin dito sa pre-sale nila. Itong si token 6,900. Okay? At higit sa lahat dyan, may staking din sila dito ng tokens. Ito yung magbibigay sa atin para maka-earn guys, no? Itong staking nila, no? Pwede tayo mag-stay and then claim lang natin ng reward. So, magkakaroon tayo na additional na T6,900 tokens. So, ganun lang kasimple yun guys, okay? And then yun guys, kung gusto nyo is lalagay ko na lang in link sa description, click nyo na lang yun. Of course guys, salamat sa panonood nitong video. So hanggang dito na lang.